What is the oops thing of life?
Oops thing of life.
जैसे like तुम्हें गाली गलोच होता रहा है, गुस्सा आ गया है. You
No,
don't abuse, right? You don't cuss.
I abuse, but just with like friends, masti mein.
Not like with anger and all, right?
No, like worstly, I'll say something like like when I'm
ये
driving.
तो बहुत clean है यार.
हाँ मतलब ड्राइव करते हुए कभी कभी निकल जाता है, बट लाइक इन द पास्ट ईयर आई कैन से द लेस टाइम आई स्पेंट इन दिल्ली द लेस इवन एंग्री आई गेट. तो निकलता ही नहीं है ज़्यादा कुछ.
You with your mom, you have been around a lot of from childhood. I would say not childhood, but from your teenage. You've been around this Delhi social circuit where we have brunches, we have sundowners now in Delhi. तुम्हें फनी क्या लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा इसके अंदर जेन्युइनली?
यार सबसे फनी ये लगता है कि जहाँ जाओ बस फोटो ही फोटो होती है. लाइक इट्स लाइक कि अब इसके इट्स लाइक व्हाई इज देयर 7 people in a selfie? लाइक फॉर मी 3 people is the max. 4 उससे ज़्यादा एक फ्रंट कैमरा में नहीं होने चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा लोग. And then it's like, oh, now we'll fit like this. And I just go and I'm like, and honestly at this point earlier मैं बहुत irritate होती थी. I'm like कि मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ये मेरे
And why do people
like
I have seen this. I went to couple of parties like this. Then I stopped doing it क्योंकि I wanted to keep my sane. ठीक है. उसमें था कि I realized कि you have to put a photo, like you put a story, you tag other person, they repost it. This is how you build a network. Someone was telling me, giving me gyan.
Yeah, I know, I'm very bad at this.
But why?
I don't know, it's just become like a part of culture. It's like कि मैं तो बहुत ही बदतमीज़ हूँ ना. मुझे तो लोग फ़ोटो डाल भी देंगे, मुझे टैग भी करेंगे, मैं नहीं करूँगी रिपोस्ट अगर मुझे वो फ़ोटो नहीं डालनी है. So like, you know, I'm very like clear that way because I grew up with social media. You know, like I was in 5th or 6th जब मैंने Facebook join किया था. So like for me social media is not like an obligation. It's your own space. You're choosing to post what you want to post and you have no obligation towards anyone. You know, which is in life as well. So for me social media is like, you know, how you want to curate because you are choosing to put yourself out. So अब अगर कोई फोटो मुझे नहीं पसंद तो मैं क्यों डालूँ? मेरी फोटो है, मेरा पेज है, मुझे नहीं डालनी. You know,
तो कलेश कराते हो यार.
मैं कुछ नहीं करती. लाइक आई डोंट थिंक आई पुट आउट दैट एनर्जी ऑल्सो. आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट आउट ऑफ विंडिक्टिवनेस कि मुझे इस इंसान को अपनी स्टोरी भी नहीं डालना. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स लाइक अ चॉइस, you know. And like maybe I don't know how I'm coming across to people. Maybe it comes across snobbish.
You come.
I come across snobbish?
Yes.
But that's the thing, I'm not. And I know that.
But now I realize that you are not.
Yeah, and ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. स्कूल में भी लोग मुझे ऐसे कहते थे. मेरे बैचमेट्स मुझसे बात नहीं करते थे.
Before I reached you, I thought like you're a snobbish. I felt the vibe, the energy you carry. And then I messaged you, but in an instant, the way you, it defines the way you come back. The way you came back, I said, oh, this is very natural. Then it flowed.
Yeah.